Hello everyone! In this video, we are going to learn about continuous function and discontinuous functions. A function f of x is said to be continuous at x equals a if f of x is defined at x equals a. Limit of f of x as x approaches a exists. Limit of f of x as x approaches a equals f of a. A function which doesn't meet any of the criteria is a discontinuous function. There are three types of discontinuities: removable discontinuity, jump discontinuity, and asymptote discontinuity. A function is said to be removable at x equals a if limit of f of x as x approaches a is not equal to f of a. Here's an example of a removable discontinuous function. A function is said to be jump discontinuous at x equals a if limit of f of x as x approaches a minus is not equal to limit of f of x as x approaches a plus. Here, the minus sign indicates that we are approaching the limit from the left side, and the plus sign indicates that we are approaching the limit from the right side. Here's an example of a jump discontinuous function. A function is said to be asymptotic at x equals a if limit of x as x approaches a is infinity. This means that you see the graph approaching a point, but never touch the point. Or it touches the point at infinity. Here's an example of an asymptotic discontinuous function. Thanks for watching.